Good evening, folks. Back again with a couple of songs for you. Going to do one of my originals first, called Always Joy. I don't believe I've done that one on here yet. And then I've got an Ian Tyson one called 18 Inches of Rain. He gives me joy in the little things each day. He gives me joy in the music that I play. He gives me joy midst of strife and toil. There's not always sunshine, not always good times, but with Him there's always joy. Paul and Silas found it in the depths of a jail, dark and cold. Chained there in a cell, they sang and prayed, instead of being in despair, because they knew that Jesus was with them even there. He gave them joy through the dangers that they faced. He gave them joy that the world could not erase. He gave them joy in the midst of strife and toil. There wasn't always sunshine, they weren't always happy, but with Him there's always joy. Throughout our trials, all the struggles of our lives, He won't desert us, always right there at our sides. If we turn our thoughts to Him, the trials will seem small, and as we go we'll realize He's with us through it all. He gives us joy in the little things each day. He gives us joy as we live for Him and pray. He gives us joy in the midst of strife and toil. There isn't always sunshine, not always good times, but with Him there's always joy. When we start to follow Him, the trials don't go away. Sometimes it seems like Satan comes after us each day, but if in our faith we'll lean on Him, the devil can but flee. Our trust and joy grow stronger, one day His face we'll see. And we'll have joy when we look upon His face. We'll have joy in that great eternal place. Oh, we'll have joy, no more strife and toil. We'll always have sunshine, no sorrow for all time. There with Him there'll always be joy. There with Him there'll always be joy. Hope you all like that one. That was one of my originals. Have to release it someday. Now, promised you a Tyson one next. That's 18 inches of rain. Not everybody gets the why I call this a gospel thing, but that's kind of in the lyrics there. Fellas asking for clear blue skies and 18 inches of rain, and to me that sounds like a prayer. Sometimes we want both ends of everything. So anyway, here it goes. Not a broke horse on the place, my old pickup truck won't go. Tractor lost a wheel about a week ago. Wind is from the east and blowing hard across the plains, and I'm high and lonesome, waiting for a change. Just give me one broke horse with a good fitting saddle, it's easy on my back. One good woman to make up the difference, everything I lack. One last chance to sell my calves before the prices go to hell again. Clear blue skies, 18 inches of rain. Just give me clear blue skies, 18 inches of rain. Coffee's kind of bitter, is it the water or the pot? Till I get to town, I make do with what I got. The Copenhagen's running out, I ought to quit it anyway. Me and this old outfit sure seen better days. Just give me one broke horse with a good fitting saddle, it's easy on my back. One more make up the difference, everything I lack. One last chance to sell my calves before the prices go to hell again. Clear blue skies, 18 inches of rain. Just give me clear blue skies, 18 inches of rain. Well, there you go. Mostly mistake-free. Thanks for joining us this evening. Check back tomorrow. We'll have another one for you. Thank you, folks.